Good morning, everybody. It's Robin from Roaming with Rover. Thank you so much for joining today. We have an unboxing. So this should be the Annie's monthly knit kit for the striped Afghan. There, I think I said it right. So what we got going on is every month I get a kit, and it has yarn and instructions for 3 stripes of this beautiful blanket. Knit. You know I don't knit, so we're bumbling along figuring this out. This is my 3rd kit, and like I said, each month it has different stripes. So the first month was those 3 stripes, and this is what I'm actually still working on. I'm up here, but I think I'm messing it up. I'm gonna have you guys let me know. The second month, that's what the stripes look like. And the 3rd month, let's see what the stripes look like. So what do we got in here? We got all the stuff and the stuff and the stuff and the ads, and that's weird. No invoice again. I didn't have an invoice in my crochet one either. Something odd's going on. So this is the Cozy Cottage Sampler Afghan, stripes 7 through 9. And I think it's called Cozy Cottage because that's the colors that I chose. So let's see what we're going to be doing this time. Ooh, look at that checkerboard kind of thing. That's going to be interesting. Looks like we've got some color block, I think they call that, changes going on. So this one is the moss stitch. The checkerboard thing is called gingham. That makes sense. That kind of looks like gingham. And then the 3rd one is called the cross stitch. All right, well, they're aptly named. This is where we're at on the blanket. Still have all those to go. Man, this is slow going, let me tell you. But you know, I'm not a knitter. Here's our colors. I don't think there's any new colors in there that we don't already have. I don't want to open them so they can stay fresh. Honey milk, we've got that already. And moonstone, honey milk. I really like this color. I don't know what it is. Driftwood. I like the driftwood the best. So we've been working with this all along, and it's really, really nice yarn to work with. Medium 4 weight, your basic premier anti-pilling, so you know that's a good yarn. 153 yards in a skein, 3 ounces. 100% anti-pilling acrylic. It's easy to work with. It's have I had to frog it? I haven't had to frog it on this, but I have on the other blanket, and it frogs up just fine. This is just super, super nice to work with. And you get the 3 skeins every month, but you don't use up your whole 3 skeins every month. So then in some of the upcoming ones, you'll use some of what you already got. Oops, I don't want to mix that in there. So that's what was in the kit this month. I do not have an invoice, so I can't tell you exactly how much it costs, but it's with the kit and shipping and handling and tax, it runs in the neighborhood of $28 each month. So this is where we are at with this. I have to be so careful so I don't pull those off. Look, I'm making a blanket. I'm really pleased with the way this is coming out because, you know, I don't knit. So look at this. Isn't that pretty? Huh? Pretty proud of myself. Okay, but I think I'm messing up. I'm on the 3rd stripe, whatever you want to call it. 3rd stripe. That's not it. That's not it. There we go. Okay, look at that. See the little bobbly kind of looking things? It feels to me this is the right way. That doesn't feel very bobbly, does it? It stretches out real pretty, makes a pretty design when it stretches out. But when it's just kind of laying there, that's how it shows in the picture, it doesn't look very bobbly. But look at the back. Doesn't that look more like the little baubles that they've got in there? That looks like the baubles. This is the front. And it's pretty, but it doesn't look like that. So somehow I've got the feeling that I've got that thing backwards. But it said in the instructions, it doesn't tell you right side, wrong side, which I'm used to with crochet. It said to, when I finish the first set, repeat rows 1 and 2, ending with row 2, so that I finished row 2 and then moved on to the next one. Because this definitely has a right and wrong side, so this is the right side. And then this does not have a right and wrong side, so it wouldn't have mattered. And on that one, we just counted the number of rows. We just did a certain number of rows 2 more times. So I really hope that I did not get this thing backwards somehow. It's pretty though. But I think this side is prettier. I don't know. But I like it. And I like that I'm knitting. And gosh, this is my big old hole that I made by mistake because I did a yarn over. But I can fix that. I should have torn it all out. I did not. I should have torn back to there, but I didn't notice it till I had gone 3 or 4 rows past and I wasn't about to tear it out. If this was for somebody else, I absolutely would have fixed it correctly. But for me, I'm not worried about it. I'll just put a little stitch in there in the back and call it good. So it looks nice. It looks pretty. I'm just thinking if somehow I've got, yeah, that is definitely supposed to be in the front. I could tear that out and redo it. It wasn't, I mean, it was an afternoon's work, but I don't know. Do you think yeah, it's definitely that's definitely the right side, and that is definitely the wrong side. Well, we've got the new kit, and if you watch the video for the crochet one, I just finished that one as well, and there was a mistake. They sent me the wrong kit, and so I called their customer service, got through to them immediately, no problem at all, and the little gal was super helpful, and they're sending out the correct kit, so I should have it by the end of the week. And I'm not up to that point quite yet anyway. I will be, but the customer service was very, very helpful, and so that's all you can ask for is good customer service. Makes a difference. Good customer service makes a big difference when you're dealing with companies, and that's not always a thing anymore. That's all I've got for today. Thank you so much for spending some time with us. I really do appreciate that. Please like, please subscribe, please leave a thumbs up. It all helps us tremendously. Stay safe, stay happy. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.